Yusuf.
घूमते हैं, चल थोड़ा घूम के Được mà sao rồi? Để bạn vợ à?
This is a trailer. Only what we do, and this is the interpoint slate. Once you're done here, then we move here. Unless and until we can do this, we usually don't move. So we learn with this, and then we slowly progress from here to this. The other reason is, this one it's more affordable, and this one is more costly. So even if you think about students, it's costly for them, you know, to get these. It is a combination of 6 dots. So this is dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every dot has got a particular. For the example, if you do dot 1, that's A. Dot 1, 2, B. Dot 1, 4, C. That 1, 2 and 4, this is F. So it's like that. But we have to know the dots first before we progress. It's like when we started school, we first learned how to read the dots, read letters. In our case, it was A, B, C, D and all that. Then we progressed to writing. So, leave one cell and then I write 1. That's A. I leave a space. B. Leave a cell. That's C. So this is how you do 26 alphabets in the English language. And we can make 63 characters out of this combination with dots. And we have a open braille, what we call, it's written just like that. The other is what we call shorthand. It's like a grade 2 braille. So in place of words like A and D, just a combination of dots in one cell, and you can write A and D. Something like that. The same thing here. So whatever I have written here, like that, and then you start. Kanila sapo. Lola. Kani. Okay. have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So, these are all alphabets, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, like that. So for the visually impaired. So whatever geometric representations we have, this is called tactile. And the description to the diagram is given in braille. So this chapter is talking about circles. So it's all about circles. Yes.
So it's just they just feel and understand.
No, like someone like you, miss, me and you, we are sighted people. As it is. But for the visually impaired student, they cannot see, so they touch.
So when they touch, they feel and they know.
Yeah, they know. Because they know the script, what's written here. And this diagram, it's explained to you.
This is for those who cannot see but can hear. Or cannot see,
No,
cannot
no,
hear.
no. It's not for multiple. It's only for the blind.
Oh, okay. So they
Because if it's for the blind and deaf, they're blind, they do sign language at the same time with one hand. So they may know braille, but the language part is through the touching of the one hand. So their signage is with one hand. It's called American Sign Language. Yeah. You're from Diet Note.
yes.
So I was just discussing with my colleague. I said that the children after 2 days they want to be elsewhere.
Children, I'm sure in these 3 days you have learned a lot which are essential for your success in today's rapidly changing world. Yeah, isn't it? Did you learn something which will be useful for your future life? Okay, and I know you will cherish these memories of these 3 days that you have spent here. You will cherish these memories when you sit back and think of these 3 days. And to make you once again leave these 3 days, we have a short video presentation before you, so that you can once again leave these moments that you have lived here in Neri campus. So I request the ICT team to make a video presentation of the highlights of these 3 days activities.
So this is a meeting place where a very intense a very fruitful, very meaningful, very engaging, very joyful, I would say, interaction is going to happen. It is expected, and through that process, a lot of learning is going to be generated.
What's the question?
Sir, why is science a search?
Very good question. I said science is a search for truth about nature because science never remains static. It keeps changing. It is a dynamic thing. So tomorrow is this. Smallest one was that. It is smaller. It was the molecule. It was the cell. Then atoms came, electrons came. Now it is the quark. It keeps changing. Tomorrow somebody finds a device and say, smaller than a quark, something is there.
In age 10 2, I learned about science. I also learned about our Indian scientists who helped and contributed in this world. Now we are talking about the world scientists, but we forgot about Indian scientists. But from this program, we are able to know about it.
This stall is about cultural exploration. It's about music. So if you look at an overarching theme that connects, culture, traditions, and identity, and I think we have been very blessed to have all of these children eager to learn, and they're very responsive.
So what is Ludo, no? We all play Ludo. So the game, the rules is all the same, like how we sighted play, this is modify it so that even the visually impaired child can also play.
This is the Cranmer abacus. Now this is a device for doing mathematics. We use it for doing operations in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, even decimals and fractions.
यहाँ पर मेरा सबसे फेवरेट जो स्टॉल था वो था बेथनी सोसाइटी का स्टॉल. वहाँ बीइंग अ नॉर्मल चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो हमें ब्लाइंड चिल्ड्रन जो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं वो सिखाया. इवन मुझे पता नहीं था कि ब्लाइंड का भी लूडो होता है, स्पेसिफाइड लूडो, और मैंने वो भी खेला. मैंने वहाँ पर न्यूमेरिकल्स एक्सेट्रा सीखे. साथ ही में वहाँ पर हमें कुछ मैन्योर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स के बारे में भी बताया.
So here we have different kinds of equipments, some NCERT made teaching learning kit. Okay, in that we are going to demonstrate some experiments also. Along with that, we have some creative activity to nurture your young mind.
What's the importance of the ozone layer?
Ozone layer is protecting our earth in an ultraviolet rays which is coming outside from the sun. So this atmosphere is protecting, and especially this ozone layer which is lies on the stratosphere layer.
We come here to this event and then to show to our students a few things about hand-to-eye coordination, about color theory, and how they can use their creative skills in creating some kind of weave or fabrics in the future.
Visualize that this program will enable children to find their chances to learn something new, to also be engaged in something that is totally outside the normal classroom procedure, processes.
आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कुछ कर रहे हैं। एक्चुअली मैं स्टूडेंट को ड्राइंग करना नहीं सिखाता, क्योंकि ड्राइंग करना तो कहीं ना कहीं से सीख ही जाएगा। मैं सिखाता हूँ कैसे पेशेंस रखा जाता है। जब भी एक पेशेंस लेवल हाई होता है बच्चों का, तो वो लोग कभी भी सडनली रिएक्ट नहीं करते किसी भी चीज़ में, तो उन लोगों का सुनने का जो ताकत है वो बढ़ता है।
I am very glad to take this opportunity in this program. I feel so happy to meet my new to explore in many stalls like science, painting and somersaults. I even did a painting yesterday. Fine arts. Thank you.
In this 3-day event, we have managed to cover several themes of the 21st century learning skills. We also collaborated with many institutes that we have here in the Northeast. The ethos of the entire festival was an inclusive approach where we have children from different inclusive schools, where we have children who are visually impaired, hearing impaired, and it's really lovely to see that children interact with each other, learn each other's languages, learn each other's, even sign languages also.
I am very happy that I get to meet the deaf, the blind, or different people in this program. Because from the time when I was studying in school, we never had this chance. So seeing that these students, the deaf, the blind, all having this chance, and different also with the hearing students, it made me very excited to see that these students are getting the chance to learn different skills.
I am very happy to be part in this program, and I get this opportunity to explore in different stalls which benefit me, like self-defense, arm wrestling, and somersault.
So the goal is this: he grabs, I disrupt the grip, I hit, and then I run.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्पेशल चाइल्ड थे जिनके साथ मुझे कम्युनिकेट करके बहुत मज़ा आया। इसके अलावा यहाँ पे मेरा सबसे फेवरेट स्टॉल था मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स का स्टॉल, बिकॉज आजकल की जैसी सिचुएशन बनती जा रही है उसको देख के फॉर अ पर्सन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो देयर सेल्फ डिफेंस। तो वहाँ पर उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स बताई सेल्फ डिफेंस की, और विच विल रियली हेल्प अस इन फ्यूचर।
First of all, I want to thank Zanjali for my artist activity. I got to learn so many skills. I really enjoy the AR VR, which I experienced, where I learned something beyond the book.
मैं यहाँ पे बात करने आई हूँ PMA मीडिया के बारे में। मैंने ये चीज़ सुना था मेरी में आके, और ये बहुत अच्छा टीवी चैनल है। ये हम टीवी में देख सकते हैं, इसे हम फ़ोन में देख सकते हैं, टैब में देख सकते हैं। ये 1 से लेकर 12 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सबके लिए है, और इसमें बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट होता है। अगर आपने टीचर से पढ़ा, टीचर्स का आपसे नहीं हुआ डाउट कंप्लीट, तो आप PMA वीडियो में जाके देख सकते हो।
This platform provides children an exposure to different areas of learning, which they often won't get a chance. And I think this event needs to be repeated because it helps us as teacher trainers also to learn how to modulate classroom teaching, how to move beyond the classroom, how to engage our learners, connecting to the world, the real world outside, what they actually need, the skills that they need today.
So every one of you have enjoyed seeing what you did? Yes. So thank you ICT team for bringing out the highlights of these 3 days in a very crisp manner. So do you want to enjoy now, children? Yes? Okay. So we will see to it that you enjoy before going. So why are we so famous? Northeast India is famous for? No? No idea? We are very colorful, isn't it? We are very vibrant. Yes? Music. Okay, that's good. So, as you all say, it is because of the music, because vibrancy. There is so many tribes, so many races are here. So we are very, very proud of our legacy. And so now let's get ready to be mesmerized by a spectacular dance performance by the Neriites.
Oh hiyo, hiyo, oh hiyo, 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 oh hiyo, hiyo, oh hiyo, 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 oh hiyo, hiyo, oh hiyo, 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 oh hiyo, hiyo, oh hiyo, hiyo, hiyo.